get yourself something to drink because this is going to be quite a long video. I missed last month's update, so when I returned from traveling, there were quite a few packages to open. And today I'm going to show you what was inside. We have devices, 2 quite typical ones, 1 atypical one, skincare, and a little bit of makeup. The first device I got is from Currentbody. It's the Currentbody Skin laser hair removal device. You might remember if you watched my last skincare stash update that I already own one that I started testing on my left armpit to compare to my right armpit. And once I have done this, I will use this one on the other armpit to see how the two of them compare. But so far I can tell you, I have already used this on body parts I don't care to show pictures of on the internet, and it is relatively pain-free, but of course it's way too early to give you any results. It takes at least 3 months to see a reduction in hair growth. And then again from Currentbody, quite atypical and much too huge to fit into this video frame. So I am going to show you just this one. This is the outside packaging of the Currentbody Skin infrared sauna blanket, and it's basically just like a blanket that you slip into and that heats up via infrared to mimic the effects a sauna would have on your skin. I'm a huge fan of going to the sauna. I do it in the winter regularly, like as a whole day event with family or after a workout for a muscle recovery. So I'm very excited to have one that I can use in the comfort of my own home. The claims that are on the website are 50% absolute BS, like burn up to 600 calories within 1 hour when using this. You will not burn calories while resting in a warm environment. Yes, you might lose some weight because you lose some water through sweating, but this will not make you burn calories. If you want to burn calories, go work out. Another claim, full body detox, your liver, your kidneys, these are the body parts that do the detox. You don't need a blanket for that, but it's incredibly relaxing and very good for muscle recovery because it increases blood flow. The third device is yet another LED mask from Faradbeauty, and it comes in this beautiful packaging. And I have to admit, this is like number 4 that I own now, and I just have that one face, but in my defense, this one is different. It is different in, let me show you, the Luxe. They call this bird's nest structure, and it's supposed to be very, very lightweight. It just weighs like 93 grams. And with the structure it has, diffuse the light optimally on your skin. I'm very excited to see how this holds up, but will take a little while because I'm currently still in the process of testing another one and then another one before I can show you my update on that. But even if it doesn't work, I can wear it on Halloween to scare away the children. Moving on to skincare, I got some products from Medicate. This is a brand that is new to me, not new to me as in I have never heard of them before, I'm not living under a rock, but new to me in terms of I have never tried anything from the brand, and I'm very excited to do so because they are the one brand that were the first on the market to release a retinol product, an encapsulated one, because retinol is quite unstable, just like retinol. And yeah, I'm very excited to give that one a go. They sent over their Medicate C Tetra Luxe, which is a vitamin C derivative, and vitamin C serum, basically lipid vitamin C enhanced radiance serum. Then they sent over the Medicate Crystal Retinol 6. The 6 indicates the strength. The whole range ranges from 1, which is for people with very sensitive skin that can barely tolerate a retinoid, up to I think 20 is the most extreme, but there's not every number. It's like 20, this is for experts, 10 is strong, and 6 is regular. So 6 should be perfectly fine for me and for my husband, who's the retinol user in this household. And the last thing they sent over is the Medicate Advanced Day Ultimate Protect Age-Defying Moisturizer with Photoluase SPF 50+. Obviously a sunscreen. Photoluase is an enzyme that helps repair DNA damage caused by UV radiation. Then innbeauty Project sent over 2 of their products. They sell skincare in bundles, like all the products that are aiming at one specific skin condition bundled up in one. And they did that with their Acne Duo, which is the acne serum medicated treatment. I already own this, and I think my review will be up next week or the week after, but will be up very soon. And this is combined with the pimple paste, which is basically a drying, alcohol-free, clay-based product that you put on the sit to dry it out overnight. When I look at the ingredient list with willow bark, clay, tea tree, azelaic acid, thyme extract, it has quite a few plant extracts, but also a few that will help with inflammation. So very excited to give that one a go. Then also new to me is a hypochlorous acid spray. This is from Briotech topical skin spray, and I just got that one off of Amazon. I bought it to test for my video on hypochlorous acid that I will link up here, and keep it in my gym bag. You might remember that I do Krav Maga, and I also teach Krav Maga. And on the days that I teach, I have 2 classes to teach back to back, and when I get home I have to prepare dinner. So between working out, and you do break a sweat when you train like 15 8-year-olds and try to prevent them from killing each other, you do break a sweat, and then I return, and then I have to cook, and until I get to rinse my sweat off, it is like 3 hours that I've been sitting in my own secretions. Ooh, that is so sexy. Anyway, that will lead to breakouts on my body, and this aims to help prevent that because it's antimicrobial. So I've been using it. I feel like it has helped, but then again, the weather has changed. Maybe I don't sweat as much. We'll see if I keep it up long term. Then I have 2 repurchases. One is a Geek and Gorgeous Sea Glow because I ran out of my other one and I'm barely ever without this one. And then the Geek and Gorgeous A Game for my husband. This one is in 0.05% retinaldehyde. Usually he uses the 0.1% retinaldehyde, the A Game 10, but I picked both up at my local DM, which is very, very handy because I don't have to order online and see that I meet the requirements for free shipping. So yay for that. And then only makeup is left. I'm a winged liner girl. I wear winged liner almost every day and have been for like 20 years now. I know winged liner is dead. You don't wear winged liner anymore, but I do. I will probably wear it on my deathbed. And when I was in Sweden, the winged liner I was currently using dried out. So I had to replace it because even on holiday for going on a hike, I will wear black liner. And in Sweden, it's very hard to pick up beauty products. Like you can't just go to a supermarket like you can here in Germany and grab one. So I had to wait until we got to Kicks, which is like their Sephora equivalent beauty department store. And there I picked up the NYX Professional Makeup because the one I'm usually using is Black Catrice, and obviously I couldn't get that there. And so I figured if I try something new, I'm going all in. So I didn't use a brush one, but one of these felt tips ones, and so far I'm really pleased with it. I've kept using it even now that I'm back. It is supposed to be waterproof, but I haven't done a full-on trying session when wearing it, so I can't comment on that. And it's not the best to get a very, very tiny thin line, so this is one more for the drama. And speaking of Kicks, when I was there, I picked up 3 of their brushes, and they are by BeautyAct, which is like their in-house line. I had some of their skincare a few years ago, which was okay as well. And I picked up the 201 all over shading brush. It is supposed to be white up here, just like the other ones, but I have already used it. Then the 205 buffing blender brush, and the 202 tapered crease brush. I love these shapes for like just going into the eye socket and buffing out the eyeshadow there. And I like the bigger ones for just using a dusting, especially if it's glittery eyeshadow, and just doing a light wash on your lids. So I have 2 different sizes. And this one is basically just for applying color all over it. I used it for like the golden shade that I'm wearing on my eyes right now. I also did buy some clothing, but I'm not really sure if you are interested in that part of me as well. I'm currently again on one of these revamp your style and your wardrobe thingy. So if you want to see more about that topic, please let me know in the comments below. And other than that, I think I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.